Hello, my name is Michaela Müller-Trutwin. I'm a professor at Institut Pasteur in Paris, France. I'm here to tell you about an exciting workshop that is taking place soon. The topic of this workshop is viral infections and inflammation. It will take place this month on September 26 and 27. It is the third time this workshop takes place. This time its form will be virtual, so it will be easy for everybody to attend. The workshop explores the connections between viral infections and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often associated with comorbidities and is a rising clinical issue. Indeed, few therapeutic options exist for treating viral-induced chronic inflammation. The workshop will therefore discuss underlying potential mechanisms, clinical manifestations, and novel concepts for treatment. Don't miss the opportunity to listen to exciting talks and to dive into the latest cutting-edge results and overviews on chronic viral infection and inflammation. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to invite you to join, and I hope to meet some of you virtually there.